you have some mix-match socks lying around the house, this is a fun way to use them. You only need a few simple supplies that you may already have on hand, or head to your local Dollar Tree and in less than 10 minutes you can make this cute crawling creature. You need socks, rubber bands, googly eyes, pipe cleaner, and stuffing. You also need your glue gun. Stretch open the end of the sock and work a large ball of stuffing into the sock at the toe. Pinch the sock tightly around the ball of stuffing and stretch a rubber band over the top. Make sure everything is held together snugly. Keep adding balls of stuffing into the sock and then place a rubber band over the sock to hold everything in place. Add a final rubber band over the very end of the sock. Place a pipe cleaner under the head. Wrap the pipe cleaner over the band and twist it several times to keep it in place. Pinch the end of the pipe cleaner and roll them down to make a spiral shape for the antenna. Add some googly eyes to the front of the head. This is such a fun kids craft and is easy enough that your kids can actually make it by themselves. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.